Hey squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool amazing right here, and basically what this is an artificial plant. And you see the one that we got right here from this brand, and for this set they basically give you guys 3 different artificial plants. So first I'm actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. Alright, so once you guys open up, here is basically what the pot looks like inside. So you see there's 3 different plants inside, and they're all fake since they are artificial plants. But let's take out each one to show you guys what it looks like first. Alright, so right here we do have the first one. If you see, this is basically what the pot looks like. And for this plant, you do have the option to kind of move it around to kind of spread it out if you guys do need to. And because these plants are artificial, you don't have to worry about like watering or anything. You just have to put it on display wherever you guys want to. And then for this part right here, if you guys do drop it, it will break. So definitely want to be careful with this part right here. So here is basically what the first one looks like. Let me show you the other 2 as well. Alright, so right here we do have the second one. If you see the design of this one is slightly different, but same thing applies to this one. If you guys want to kind of move it around to kind of spread it out to make it look a little bit more nicer, you do have the option available. But same thing applies to this one. You don't have to water or anything because it is artificial plant. But here is basically what the second one looks like. Now let me show you the last and final one. Alright, so here we have the last and final one. So this one is also a different type of plant. You can see the way how they design it. But same thing applies to this one. You don't have to water it, and you do have the option to kind of move it around if you guys want to flex it in different angles to make it a little bit more presentable. But here is basically what the third one looks like. So if you guys put all 3 of them side by side, here is basically what the pot looks like once you guys put all 3 of them side by side. If you can see, the product definitely looks pretty nice. So if you guys want to use this as presentation at your house, your apartment, or anywhere else, wherever you guys want to use it, that is totally up to you guys. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we can unboxing and test the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys in the market looking for some high quality artificial plant that has a similar design as these right here, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.